Sup guys, welcome back. So I've been tinkering with the Datsun a little bit today. Just had a quick vacuum, a quick wipe down, and I want to do a couple little more things to it. I want to paint the front bar, and I want to take the little grill bits out and paint them satin black as well. So I'm just trying to get through the shed and see what I've got in the way of paint. Now, a friend of mine years ago said to me, if you're going to paint something black, paint it satin black, because the black sort of just all merges together and it's like $2 a can. So because it's a Ghetto Z, I have no problems doing that. But don't know if I have any paint. So went down to Super Crap, got some satin black. Hopefully this does the job. It can't get much worse. All right, let's give this a dig. Now, when painting, prep is most important. Make sure that you're only painting on wet grass and you've got plenty of dirt around to get mixed into it. It really gives it the right hammered finish. Heaps better, I think. Perfect color match, I'd almost say. Next up on the agenda. Oh, did you pull the sticker off it? Thank you. This is Chop. Hey, mate. So, got this. Oh no, they're like a rocket bunny style. Is that what it is? I like it because it kind of reminds me of an old NASCAR, but a heap of daddos have wings like this. Anyway, I think we're gonna have to put a couple of screws in that, get it mounted up. She'll look sweet. Yeah. That's massive.
How's it fitting?
Terribly. I forgot to put a washer on that first one. When fitting body kits, always make sure you use the correct size screws and washers. Should be a nice loose fit. Damn. To ensure maximum water penetration.
It fits so well.
That was my thoughts. Yeah. This is never coming off. I can't tell if that's... You know what? I reckon 3's good. So, what else have I done to this today? Had a vacuum. I need to do these next. I got Nismo shifter that my brother got for me from Japan in like 2014. That's awesome. Been waiting to have another car to put it on. And, oh, I want to paint these. I need to get this all back to black. I might do this now. I'll put music over it. That was originally one piece.
Originally?
Yeah. Not much rust. Good. Mate?
Bad? All bad?
Oh, nice even coverage. Good application. Thank you. Alright, let's get that back on the car.